Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna play with Paw Patrol Rocky and his recycling truck. That's so cool. Recycling is so important. Are you ready?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Yay, let's do it. Did you know if you recycle one glass bottle, it saves enough energy to power a 100-watt bulb for 4 hours, a computer for 30 minutes, or a television for 20 minutes?
Wow!
We should really start recycling more. Rocky's here to help us learn all about recycling. Look, we have all of these tools and some metal. Let's get into it.
Yay!
We put the tools in this compartment and put the metal in the dumpster.
Wow!
All right, let's watch some recycling in action. Wow! We recycled the metal and made some tools. When you recycle, you help save energy, resources, and reduce pollution. Did you know that recycling 1 ton of paper can save 17 trees, 7,000 gallons of water, 2 barrels of oil, or 4,000 kilowatts of energy?
Wow!
Whoa! For learning all about the importance of recycling with me today. If you don't already recycle, talk to your parents about starting a recycling bin to reduce, reuse, and recycle. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.